Ding dong. Are we live? Oh. Well, we're either live or we're not live.
Selfie mode. You had the camera last.
So are we live?
On you now.
Okay. Hey, what is today, Kevin?
Oh, it's Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday means
Truck talk.
Truck Talk Thursday with Thurston. And if you caught the little sneak peek yesterday, I told you we were going to do this today at 11 o'clock. And that didn't happen today. And why? Really, really busy today. And could be because this thing came in and we showed it yesterday, which was some of that. We had some interest. But we got a lot of stuff going on right now, which unfortunately kept us from doing that. Kevin just ate lunch 5 minutes ago, and Roger's still waiting on lunch. Of course, he ate breakfast at 4:30 this morning, so he's starting to wither away. But as promised yesterday, I want to tell you about this new truck that came in. It is the new body style Chevy 2500. This one is a crew cab, work truck, four-wheel drive, gas, but there's some changes with that. Now, I'm going to flip it over to Roger. Roger ordered this bad boy, and he's going to tell us about it.
Hi, I'm Roger Hicks, and thank you for tuning in to Truck Talk Thursday with Thurston. This is the 2020 model 2500 heavy-duty crew cab with the standard 6.5-foot bed. A lot of changes have come about. Number one, your mirrors. We have exterior lighting on the mirrors now.
That's pretty nice.
It's really nice.
Oh, they telescope out too, don't they?
They do.
They do pull out.
Ooh.
You gotta have muscles, so Todd showed his muscles. This is the interior, and let me tell you something about this interior. It is huge. There's so much more leg room, so much more hip room. We've got two of us sitting in here. We can put 3 more people in this front seat. It's that much room.
Think I can fit in there?
No, we said 3 more people.
Anyway, this vehicle comes standard with the brand new 6.6 liter gas V8 engine.
Say it ain't so, Roger.
It ain't so. It is much more powerful than the great 2019 2500 HD.
Now, Kevin, you just took this and put a little fuel in it, right?
I did.
And what'd you say about the power?
It's definitely there. You
can
can tell a huge difference between the 6.0 and the 6.6.
This vehicle, of course, is equipped with a lot of safety features, one being the OnStar. Another is the airbags. It's just a great truck to drive.
We got Bluetooth on this, Roger?
We have Bluetooth on there.
We have Bluetooth, we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got this new trailer light feature, which when you plug in your trailer, you can just do a light test. It runs through, running lights, brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, and then your reverse lights. It will continue to cycle through that until you come in and hit stop. So no more coming in, hitting the left turn signal, walking back there, seeing if it works on your trailer. Then coming back up, hitting the right turn signal, going back to see if it works on your trailer. All you got to do is hit that and let it cycle through.
Now, when in the past, the 4-wheel drive, you had your shift lever standard on the floor. It'd be right there.
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? It's now
Where is it?
electronic. Right there on the right there where Todd's left hand is.
Come on over here, Kevin, and take a peek.
No more floating around. You don't have a thumb authority. Right here.
Right here, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. We can shift it into trailering. That's going to adjust your transmission shifting to help with fuel economy. There's your lights, dome light. Kevin, I'm going to turn that on. Show them the lights in the back.
You can see them.
You even have a light back here, just opposite of your backup camera, and that will shine on your trailering. And watch this tailgate. Wow.
Is this an LTZ, Roger?
This is a work truck. And
Hey.
watch it go up. I'm old, I'm weak. One hand. Amazing. You have your trailering hitch here, your all-terrain spare tire, because we always go with the aggressive tires. We want them to get you through bad weather. These is of course equipped with the plow prep package so you can plow with it.
How many tie downs do we have in here?
You got 12, and you can add more if necessary.
Roger, where did we get this bed liner spray in at?
This bed liner spray-in came direct from Chevrolet,
Straight from the factory?
straight from the factory.
And you know what that means?
It's fully warranted for the 3 years, 36,000 miles, and it's going to hold up better than any spray-on liner elsewhere.
Now, Roger, you know I work pretty hard.
You do.
So if I need to, look at this, Cap. I can do a little work on my tailgate. I can plug my my laptop in right there,
Or your blender.
or my
if you wanna
blender,
make a margarita.
and really do some tailgate.
Absolutely.
Nice feature to have.
I did notice on the inside, did we put leather on this work truck?
Oh,
That is the new vinyl that sure looks like leather.
feels like leather.
Soft, buttery finish. And look at your interior flooring. You can clean this out with a soap and water. Hose it out if you want.
about
Notice
this?
how easy that seat goes up. Everything is right there for you.
You know, if you raise this up, there's a lot of room if you didn't have anybody in the back seat.
Find someone taking a nap back there,
Lot of
Roger.
equipment.
Yeah, just put a little mattress in here. I got my sleeping quarters. And I live at this place.
I saw you open the hood. How about we take a peek?
Yeah, that's a good question. You gotta figure out where the land is. You wanna get back to somebody else.
Hey, Roger, or Kevin, take a look at the, okay, see where I am? Right?
Yeah.
Look what just happened.
Whoa. Did you do that from the inside, Todd?
Yeah, I did that from the inside. So if I show up to get a load at Lowe's or Menards or Lumberyard or whatever, I don't even have to get out of the truck. Hit that button, they load it in, they push it up, and we're down the road.
Talk about
Another
convenience.
thing I wanted to show you on the inside, okay?
Can I see it from here?
I think you can see from here, okay? You've got your cruise control right here. Here's your parking brake, okay? No more stepping on that down there anymore, okay? Roger alluded to this earlier, but all the extra space in here is really nice. We talked about Bluetooth. Kevin, can you see this right here?
Yep.
Okay, but guess what? We got one over here too.
Oh man, now they
Gone
can
are
hear
the
me talk.
days where it's really tough to hear people when you're on Bluetooth. We've got two speakers in here so that everybody can hear. Right? We already went over all that. We got a little power outlet in here.
Mm-hmm.
Two glove boxes, one unlockable storage. Yep. Turn that bad boy off. Rear seat reminder tells me to look in the rear in case I've left my kid, my dog, or my ice cream back there. I don't see anything back there. But the other thing, Roger was talking about all the room up in the front, but lots of room here in the back seat as well. Okay? I'm 6'2". I was 6'2" up there and had a lot of room. I'm 6'2" back here and have a lot of room.
Didn't have to pay extra for that extra room, did you?
No extra charge for all that room.
And you'll also notice capped with fuel. So no more leaving your gas cap at the gas station.
Right. And this step right here, we call this our Vince Gainey step. It's here when he needs to get gas, so he can step up there so he can reach that. So that's our Vince Gainey step.
And there's one on each side of the truck, so it's
For everybody else, if you have a toolbox back here, which a lot of our customers do, you don't have to struggle reaching over and you don't have to get in. You're going to have a step right here, open your toolbox, and you can get your stuff out that you
And
need.
you'll also notice that the step bumper, which we've had this configuration for a number of years on Chevrolet trucks, is now much bigger. So if you're wearing your snow boots, you're going to easily be able to fit in there and climb up and see what's going on inside the truck bed.
Oh, nice, clean, compact. You know, if you look at new cars and trucks these days, you know, one of the things that I've always noticed is how cramped and hard it is to work on those. But if you look here, there's actually room if you need to do anything underneath here, right? Really nice and clean. And the redesign on this hood, I think, is nice. Got your tow hooks on the front. Roof marker left on top. As we mentioned earlier, this one is 4-wheel drive. It does have the snowplow prep package on it, so you can add a plow on this thing and be ready to go down the road, which we may do that. Hopefully not for a while. You know, it's about 100 degrees outside today, so shouldn't need anything there. And if you haven't driven one of the new body styles, whether it's on the 3/4 ton or even on the half tons right now, man, you really need to come out and take a look at it. I'm in the new half ton body style, and I will tell you, and it's probably my 4th or 5th truck, it is the best ride of a truck I've ever had. And don't take my word for it, or Roger or Kevin's, even though you could, but come on down here, take it for a spin. We got all kinds of plates, we'll put gas in it. Kevin will take you to lunch. Roger will buy you a milkshake, and we'll have a great time. So, if you haven't seen it yet, come on down. We've got 2 in. We've got some of the new medium duty trucks in. Some of them already upfit and ready to go. And we'll shoot some information on some of the work-ready trucks. But great incentives, great trucks. Anything else, Roger, you want to add?
Yeah, the one thing that floored me was the price point on this. The difference between a 2019 2500 HD Crew Cab and a 2020 model is peanuts.
Peanuts?
Peanuts. Just a measly 100 or 200